All right, everybody, this is your Core Bites number 17, so let's make sure you make your corrections. Number 1 says, Caden wants to organize his model cars in a display case. He has 60 cars and there are 5 shelves in the case. How many cars should he place on each shelf? So for this, you're going to have to do a division problem because you are dividing 60 total cars onto 5 different shelves. So that means you're going to have to divide to find your answer. So if you take 60 divided by 5, you've got to think in your head, 5 times what can give you close to 6 but not over. So if you do 5 times 1, that would give you 5. 6 minus 5 would give you 1. Bring down your 0. Well, okay, so 5 times what gives you 10? So that would be 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So your answer for this would be 12 cars. So you would have 12 cars on each shelf. Okay, for the next one, it says find the product of 42 and 54. So that means you're going to have to multiply. So for that one, it's better if you actually write it vertically. So if you put 42 and then you put 54, then you're going to multiply them together. Okay, so we have 2-digit times 2 digits. So we're going to have to go through this process twice. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. So you're going to have the 6 and then the 1. Okay, so now you've got to hold the place because now you're starting over on the tens place. So we've got to put a 0 in the ones place and start on this side. So 5 times 2 gives you 10. So you're going to regroup that 1. 5 times 4 gives you 20, plus 1 is 21. And you've got to make sure that you line up your numbers correctly. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus nothing is 2. So your answer would be 2,268. For the next one, for number 3, it says which sentence is true. So you've got all these fractions here. Okay, so let's see. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 gives you 3/9. Actually, no, that would give you 3/3, which equals 1. So that makes no sense for that one. Then we have 5/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Okay, so if you do, they all have the same denominator. So if you do 5 plus 1 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, that would give you 7/8. And then here we have 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 1/5. You do not add the denominators whenever you do addition. So that is not right. So the correct answer would be B. 5/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 gives you 7/8. For number 4, it says classify the angle. So if you know anything about geometry, if it's a small angle, it's acute because it's so cute. If it is a right angle, it would be right at 90 degrees and it would have that little box showing you that it's a right angle. If it's obtuse, it's anything over 90 but less than 180. So because this one is over 90, it is obtuse. And then your last question for today says a polygon with 3 sides is called a blank. So if you have a geometric shape, a polygon with 3 sides, that would be a triangle. 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 All right, guys, make sure you make your corrections.